Frank Lampard, Chelsea Football Club head coach here, speaks after unsatisfied result from his players, as from his boys. As of course, he has to say that it was just a poor performance, and it wasn't just a kind of game that he was just expecting. As that today's performance is just most worst performance in the Premier League this season, and so far he has to tell the players that they have something to do and what they just want to, and what they and of course Frank Lampard says he's just planning to sit with the players and being told them that this kind of performance is just not good, as in fact they are just hurting fans. Fans are very disappointed. Fans are very, of course, frustrated due to this team's performance. Frank Lampard says it's a time now to show the talent from the players. It's a time now to show the biggest of this club, and of course he agrees and admits that Chelsea Football Club is just a bigger club in the world. It's a club which won many trophies, but this downfall is just not good. It's one among of the worst downfall in the history of the Chelsea Football Club, and players must work hard. Players must think themselves. They must evaluate themselves, of course, on their performance. And what he means here is that Chelsea players are not performing well. Their performance is just very poor, and most of them are very easy. They do not provide even 70% from what they have. And Frank Lampard says this is too much. In fact, now it is so too much, and it's a time now to think about changes of the club. It's a time now to think about of course, the feelings of the fans. It's a time now to think about the project of the club as